Enlist the function of ICAO, DGCA or AAI. First one is the ICAO, that means International Civil Aviation Organization. The first headquarter was established in April 4, 1947 at the Canada. The aims to develop the principle and technique for international air navigation and to foster the planning and development of international air transport system, ensure the safe and orderly growth of international civil aviation throughout the world, encourage the art of aircraft design and operation of peaceful purpose, promote the air navigation facility for ICA. Then after meet the need the people of the world for safe, economic and efficient air transport, prevent the economic waste. To fulfill the objectives, ICAO developed the standard and recommended practice for personal licensing, aircraft registration, rules of the air and meteorology, air traffic services, aircraft accident inquiries, search and rescue, aircraft noise. Second authority is the DGCA, that means Directorate General of Civil Aviation. It is a regulatory body in the field of civil aviation that was established in 1945. The functions are regulation of air transport service to and from and within the India, licensing of pilot and other personnel, registration of civil aircraft, licensing of aerodromes and air carriers, coordination of work related to ICAO, investigation of incident, approval of tariff and schedules, supervision of training activity of flying clubs, monitoring of flight crew standards, development of light aircraft glider and winches. Third one is the Airport Authority of India, merging of National Airport Authority NAA and International Airport Authority of India IAAI. The body is created AAI. Total 126 airport is under in the AAI, in which 14 is international and 86 is domestic. AAI is undertake the Gagan project in technological collaboration with ISRO. What are the functions of AAI? Design, development, operation and maintenance of airport, control and management of Indian airspace extending beyond the territorial limit of the country, construction, modification and management of terminals, development and management of cargo terminals, provision of information systems and visual aids, communication and navigation aids. Thank you.